Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a battery power saving mode on Amazon Kindle Oasis. So if we go through the settings, as far as I checked, there's no power saving options anywhere, and only tips I can give you on how to save the battery on your device is to go to your toolbar. Here I would use the dark mode and also turn up the brightness to 0. You can also use the warmth level as 0 and turn off any Wi-Fi, Bluetooth settings and synchronization settings. That way you'll be able to save a lot of battery on your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.